Hello, my name is Yadav Dabar and I am a Forex Optimum Broker Financial Analyst. I'm here back again to bring you all some of the weekly reviews and what the market is doing at the current situation, how you can position yourself in the financial market with the current sentiment. All right. So US stock market had actually posted significant gains last week. However, it seems it has ran out of steam to recover to the level of 233.13 points, right? So this week other attempts could also be performed. Well, the major driver for such attempts could be positive macroeconomics data that is expected to be released at the end of this week. And there are several indications that this data may be way above the analyst expectations. Gold continued to trade around $1,700 per troy ounce with no particular reason to move in either direction. Nevertheless, we might see a breakout moves this week as investors are looking for safe haven assets to weather the uncertain situation. On the other hand, looking ahead on US Treasury yield to remain at about 0.65 to 0.70 percentage, right? With no potential of the yield growth of US Treasuries, gold may become a natural choice as safe haven instrument, right? So that is a little bit of accumulation over there. So we can actually expect an upward move to somewhere around $1,700, $1,795.9 per troy ounce, and geopolitical tension supports gold too, and this is why we could see an upward momentum over there. Board of Governors for the International Atomic Energy Agency, the United Nations watchdog, accused Iranian officials for repeatedly blocking inspectors and sanitizing a site they wanted to visit beginning last July. Such a decision by IAEA grant new arguments for the United States to abandon the nuclear deal with Iran. Oil market may perform a tug of a war as well because the competition as a fears over the second wave of the coronavirus pressures crude demand. On the other hand, the recovery in global economic activities nudges prices up. Technically, the upward trend is taking the upper hand after Brent crude prices consolidated around the maximum of $43.41 per barrel. Current dynamics of prices boost chances of new highs at this week. Statistics of crude reserves this Wednesday would become a fundamental reason to achieve new targets. Analysts expect reserve in the US to decrease by about 152,000 barrels. Right? So, however, the most important data will be released at the end of this week, which is US GDP for the first quarter of 2020. That is going to be published on Thursday. The forecast is about minus 5% quarter on quarter, all right, and May durable good orders that will be also published on Thursday are expected to rise about 11.2% month on month. Federal Reserve will publish its annual stress test results for the US banking system, and May data for personal incomes and spending in the US will be released on the Friday. All right, so that's all for the week, and I will be coming back again to bring you more updates. Till then, stay tuned and have a great trading week.